Good morning, children. Welcome to calligraphy class. In our previous class, we have discussed about the importance of handwriting, into how many zones all the letters of English alphabet are divided. Those zones, upper, middle and lower zone. The letters which are fallen in the upper zone and the letters which are written in the middle zone and the letters which are written in the lower zone, already we have discussed about them. And after that we discussed about the capital letters also. Now I will write both the capital letters and small letters on the board, explaining each and every letter. Already we have discussed with the explanation. Just I will write the small letters and capital letters on the board. Just observe me how am I writing, please. The capital A is the stroke letter. And it is written with the help of the capital stroke. Capital B, capital C, capital D. E is the stroke letter, F is the stroke letter, G is the mixed zone letter, H is the stroke letter, I, J, K, L, M. N also the stroke letter. O just an oval shape. P the stroke letter. Q also the stroke letter. Again I am going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Total 14 letters are written with the help of the capital stroke. Okay, now I am going to write the small letters also. Middle zone letter small a, upper zone letter small b, again middle zone letter small c, small d upper zone letter, E middle zone letter, F it is the mixed zone letter, G lower zone, H upper zone letter written with the help of the upper zone stroke, I is the middle zone letter, J lower zone, K upper zone, L also upper zone, but M is fallen in the middle zone. N middle zone, O just an oval middle zone, P it is written in the lower zone. Next Q, R middle zone, S middle zone, T upper zone letter, U middle zone, V middle zone, W also middle zone letter, X middle zone, Y lower zone, and Z small z, it is the middle zone letter. These are the small and capital letters which are written with the help of different strokes. As I told you earlier, the strokes which are helped us to write the capital letters, that is the common stroke, that is the capital stroke, which is written with the help of an arc. This is the capital stroke, and the remaining strokes which help us to write the small letters are they are the 5 strokes. I have shown these 5 strokes of the small letters in the previous class only. One is the upper zone stroke, the second one is oval shape, the third one is middle zone stroke, the fourth one is the first lower zone stroke, and the fifth one is the second lower zone stroke. With the help of these 5 we can write the small letters also. Okay? Okay children, after writing the small and the capital letters, I will write both the capital and small letters by differentiate them too. Both the capital letters and small letters are written by me on the board. One capital and one small. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Like this I will write up to Z. Okay? Just observe the difference between these two, the capitals and the smalls. Capital A, small a. Okay? Capital B, small b. Capital C and small c. Capital D and small d. Capital E and small e. Capital F and small f. Capital G and small g. Capital H and small h. Capital I and small I. Capital I we can write in this way also. Capital I and small I. Capital J and small j. Capital K and small k. Capital L and small l. Capital M and small m. Capital N, it is the stroke letter, and small n is the middle zone letter. O, just an oval shape, and that too the upper zone letter. Here a small o is the middle zone letter. P, capital P is the stroke letter and upper zone letter, while small p is the lower zone letter. Already I have written here the letter I, that's why I am erasing here. Q, capital Q and small q. Capital R and small r. Capital S and small s. Capital T and small t. Capital U and small u. Capital V and small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Is this small x and capital X and small x? After that capital Y and small y, capital Z and small z. Here regarding the capital and small letters, F in small letters it is the mixed zone letter. Capital G is mixed zone letter. And next capital Y is the mixed zone letter. Except these three, there is no any other letter fallen in the mixed zone. Okay? And this is the differentiate between the capital and small letters. Already in our handwriting copy books, 2 pages were given like this, differentiate the capital and the small letters. 2 pages were given in our handwriting copy books. After the capitals, after the small letters, this differentiation between the capital and small letters also given, and you have to make good practice. First of all, handwriting should be practiced in 4 lines first. After that, we can practice in 2 lines on plain surface, wherever it may be. But we have to practice in 4 lines, because the primary knowledge of handwriting is the zones and the strokes. Up to what extent we have to write that letter, into which zone the letter has been fallen. Like this, the primary knowledge should be get by only practice, that too in the 4 lines. Okay? So, my dear children, practice well. At least allot 15 to 20 minutes of time to practice handwriting per day. Throughout the day, you have to allocate at least 10 to 15 minutes of the time to practice the handwriting. Then your handwriting will be enhanced, and you have to check it 3 weeks, only 21 days, daily 10 to 15 minutes you have to practice. After 21 days, you can find on the 22nd day your handwriting very, you will be surprised on seeing your handwriting. That much of change will appear in your handwriting if you practice at least 3 weeks. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, students. Now I am going to write some words which is started with the capital. Each and every word is started with the capital, and the remaining letters I will write the small letters. Okay? After writing a few words like that, I will show you in different fonts of letters. Just A, AL, ERT, alert, A capital, the remaining letters are small letters, and with B, B, U, S, and with C, C, A, N, can, with D, D, E, N, den. These are some words which are started with the capital, and the remaining letters are only the small letters. Now I will show you some words with the small letters, only with the small letters. AM, E, and D, amend. With B, BE, HI, ND, behind. With the letter C, CU, RE, cure. With the letter D, DE, SI, RE, desire. This line is only the middle zone and the upper zone. the middle and upper zone letters I have written in this line. Now I am going to write only middle zone. AXE, X, ARM, ARM, ASS, as, like this only the middle zone letters. A, I, M, aim, like this. This line is with only the middle zone letters, and I am writing the letters of lower zone also in these words. B, L, O, N, G, belong, B, E, Y, O, N, D, beyond, GA, RD, EN, garden. These are the words which are written with both, all the zones, upper, middle and lower. Upper, middle and lower. Here only the upper zone letters. And yes, actually we cannot write the upper zone letters without the help of base zone, middle zone. That is why this zone is the heart of the handwriting. Here we can see the upper zone words we have to write, but we should take the help of the middle zone. Without the help of this middle zone we cannot write upper zone. That is why here I have written the middle zone letters and the upper zone letters, and here I have written only with the middle zone letters, and here I have written with all the three zones. It means the upper zone, the middle zone and the lower zone also. Okay. Now I will write some letters or some words with the free zone letters also. Free zone letters. FAST, fast. FAST, fast. FIR, ST, first. TH, EFT, theft. LIFE, life. And these are the words which are written with all the upper, middle, lower and mixed zone letters also. All the 4 zones. Tomorrow I am going to write these. In the next class I am going to write the words with all the alphabet. It means the letters of the alphabet, 26 letters of the alphabet. With them I am going to write the words in our next class. Okay? Thank you very much.